This video revolves around the tech support question, what method resolves stepped ridgelines caused by differing roof spans and produces a single continuous roof plane? Stepped ridgelines often occur when adjacent roof planes sit on walls with identical heights despite having different spans. SoftPlan includes a command designed specifically to correct this condition, match roof planes. The command automatically calculates the required wall height, either higher or lower, so both roof planes align and the ridge becomes continuous. Begin by opening Options, Visible Items, and enabling Plate Height. This reveals that all walls on both sample roofs now sit at an 8-foot plate height, creating the stepped ridge in both examples. Begin by selecting Edit, Match Roof Planes. Note that the status bar prompts Select Roof Plan to match. Click the hip edge of the main roof plane. Next, the prompt reads Select Roof Planes to change. Click the Bump Out Roof Plane. SoftPlan recalculates the necessary wall height. As shown, the wall height adjusts to 5 feet 6 inches, eliminating the ridge jog. Undo the operation and repeat with the planes reversed. Select the bump out roof as the roof plane to match, and then select the main roof as the roof plane to change. SoftPlan recalculates upward this time, raising the wall height to 10 feet 6 inches. This final example will involve using the Match Roof Planes on the roof to the right. Select Edit, Match Roof Planes. Click the left roof edge to set the plane to match. Click the adjacent roof plane as the plane to change. SoftPlan assigns whatever wall height is required to align the planes and remove the stepped ridge. The Match Roof Planes command provides an automatic solution for mismatched spans and stepped ridge lines, ensuring roof planes meet cleanly and the ridge remains continuous without the need for manual calculations.